Hello, dear ones. I am Eleonora, and I'm so excited because I will be exposing for the first time at the Conscious Life Expo. I learned about this expo only 2 years ago, and it was about 2 months for the big day, and I decided that I have to go there. I was kind of waking up to my spiritual reality and losing all my friends. And I really needed that community that would tell me that I wasn't going crazy. That all those crazy and amazing things that was happening to me wasn't happening just to me. So I decided to go to the Conscious Life Expo 2 years ago. And I have two little kids, and my husband never been taking care of them alone for like 2 days. And I was thinking, oh my goodness, how can I convince him to go? What happened is, at the same time, very close, he wanted me to go to a spiritual retreat, a Christian retreat. And I wasn't really much more into church anymore, but I asked him, well, that retreat is 3 days. How are you going to take care of the kids for 3 days by yourself? It's easy peasy. I can do it. And I thought in the back of my mind, so if you can do it for me to go to the retreat, so you can do for me to go to the expo. So I made a deal with him. I go to the Christian retreat like you want, and then I go to the expo next week. And that was the deal. I went to the Christian retreat. I had a good time there. Some little challenges. I have to keep my tongue, so I couldn't really speak up what I was really thinking. But I was able to go to the Conscious Life Expo. And I was amazed. I got to do in those 3 days like about 20 workshops between activations and a lot of things. I was able to share my spiritual gifts. I was already channeling through automatic writing, and I found people willing to exchange with me for service and products. So I really, really had a good time. And I thought, next year I will go it again. So I went, and that time I didn't have to go to any spiritual retreat. So my husband just said, okay, when I go. And last year it was more about connect. I really met amazing people that I'm still friends today. And I can tell you that 2 years ago, I was losing my childhood friends. And I had just one friend that I can speak my mind. Just one. Bless her heart. Thank you so much. And last year, after February, I think I already met about 30 people. 30 people just awaken like me or in the process of being awakened. People that I can speak from the heart, and all those crazy things that's kind of, for me, I know it's not crazy, but for people that are not living what I'm living, they think I need some help. And then I decided next year I'm ready. I will be at the Conscious Life Expo. And turned out that I'm going with full force. I have a beautiful one-page advertisement. It's there. I'm gonna show you. And I somehow end up with the most important booth of the fair. 8 by 50. And I thought, I have some amazing friends, psychics, readers, healers, that helped me on my own awakening. Let me invite them and see if they want to go with me. And guess what? I was able to convince 6 of them to go with me. So we will be there together at the booth 150, and you can experience in person our gifts. You're gonna find Akashic Records reading, intuitive art, vocal toning. Actually, maybe she won't be doing that there, but you're also gonna have Reiki, Quantum Healing, and Healing Touch, hypnotherapy, and so on. So you should, if you are in the Conscious Life Expo, you should go to the booth 150. And I will give away some little gift bags with a crystal, charged crystal, healing crystals to help your own journey. So if you go to my booth, you're gonna get one. Well, at least I'll have a limit amount. So if you go, who comes first, you get more. You'll guarantee that you'll get. So also, are you gonna be presenting a workshop? It's 90 minutes workshop that I decided to really use that workshop to do a healing session. I will be there with Delcy Cabrera and Bridget Jackson Buckley. Delcy, she does the sound bath and also the vocal toning. She likes to call vocal toning, but I call that light language. You're gonna decide what it is when you go there. And Bridget, she'll give us a message from the Akashic Records, and also she'll be performing healing touch individually and also to help keep the high vibration of the room and help process all the loaded energy that will be released in that day. I also gonna have the Joseph Michael. He is a light code activator, and he'll also be helping us with holding the energy, the high vibration of the place. And Happy Ali, he also be doing the same thing. And I have another special person that will be online. Her name is Maria Cardoso, and she'll be in Zoom help holding the vibrational field for this session. And we'll go through all the chakras. We're gonna heal from root to crown, and I'm gonna set the energy for you to receive for 21 days. You're gonna, in your gift bag, there will be a QR code that you just need to scan that QR code. It will take you to a page that you just need to leave your name and maybe other information, and do the download of the book, the guidebook, so you can continue with your healing for 21 days, 3 days for each chakra. I have done this program for about 2 years, and it has changed the life of so many people. People got married, people got divorced, people started business, and so on. So it's a very transformative journey that you meet with me one time, but you continue your healing for 21 days. But it will be the first time that you'll be doing that with sound bath and light language at the same time. And also with all that support to help really rise your energy. And then you say, ai, Eleonora, eu queria muito, muito, muito. I really wanted to be there. I'm sorry, I just switched to Portuguese. I'm from Brazil, guys, so I really want to be there, but I can't go to Los Angeles right now. There's no problem. Just go to my website, The Awakening Path, and on the page, when you see workshop, you click there, you take you to a page that you can buy your ticket to be in the Zoom call. And yes, you from the Zoom call, you also gonna get the guidebook, and you also gonna get the audiobook. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna provide the audiobook for along with the guidebook. I think I will do that too. I will provide the audio with the guidebook when you go ahead and do the download. So that's not what you're gonna be doing now. That's just a start. Do you see this jewelry here? I didn't make this one, but I'm doing others. I'm doing this bracelet here. I found those beautiful crystals. They are made, they are not polished. So they hold the energy of the planet in a more intensive way because they are not being too much manipulated. This is amethyst. And what happened with those bracelets? Are you gonna charge them with healing energy? For example, the amethyst is the alchemize. It's alchemize the energies, transform the negative energy in positive energy. It can, I call this the SOS the SOS crystal for each chakra, because it will help you to heal all the chakras. So that's one that you should have. And I will activate, put the Reiki and quantum energy on them. And I will guide you, I will teach you. There will be a little note explaining how you do to activate it for you. And I will just show you, wait just 1 second. Well. So, my healing is all about chakra. Sorry for the noise. So, as I told you, I really love amethyst. And if you love amethyst, you can buy this necklace over there. See? All those amethysts will hold healing energy that you can activate for your healing. That's one thing. And I also will sell malas. This one is for the chakras. I try to do everything unique, so you're not gonna see others exactly the same. For the chakras, I only did, I think, 4 or 5, and one is mine. This one is mine. I'm not gonna sell this one. I also have others in other colors. One lapis lazuli to activate the third eye chakra. I have for protection, for clarity. Just go there, visit me. You're gonna see all the necklaces. They are unique. You're gonna use them. There will be no one else using the same. Maybe a little bit similar, but want to be exactly the same. And I really hope to see you there. Oh, and I also will offer a lecture Sunday. The lecture will be 12 o'clock Sunday, and it will be about starseed activation. Are you a starseed? If you are still with me right here, I'm talking for about 15 minutes, you are a starseed. Are you aware of it? what you need to do to remember. Are you ready to start connecting to your family, galactic family? So over there, I will explain a little bit the steps that you need to do to activate your galactic self. And I will do a little activation that will be about 10-15 minutes because I only have 45 minutes. But after that, I will offer a full workshop that will be online that you can attend with discount. I will give the coupon discount. I think I'm gonna put, okay, just for you, I'm gonna put the coupon discount on the description of this video. If you want to go ahead and attend the workshop, there will be a 1 hour workshop. It probably will stay longer because first I'm gonna explain what is starseed, what to do to activate, what is in your way, what is holding you back, and then I do the activation. In the activation, I call upon the galactic families, the archangels. I use the Reiki energy and also quantum healing to do the activation. So I really hope to see you this weekend, online or in person. In person, even better. So much love and presence to you, and hope to see you soon. Oops, I almost forgot. I also will have on my booth the books of Mind Sherpa, a publisher that only publishes high vibrational books that will help you in your ascension, in your awakening. And there is 2 amazing books that are nominee for the book award for the Expo, the Visioneer's Handbook, and also the Divine Creator. The authors will be there. They will be presenting the workshop with me, and they also will be performing a book sign, and will be doing some healings also on the book. So I really hope to see you there so you can explore everything that you have to offer to assist your one awakening. Love and presence, and see you soon.